Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're doing an inspection video today on our Giddings Lewis Model 340T. This particular machine has a vertical head attachment mounted to it. We're also going to show you the continuous drive facing head as well. Our intent is to show you three things: the vertical head attachment, the continuous facing head, and third, we're going to show you the digital readout. We have the Newall 3-axis digital readout installed as well. That being said, let me go from my glasses to my safety glasses. Okay, let's get the meat and potatoes going with this bad boy, Frankie. Okay, what we're seeing here is a vertical head attachment that's driven off of the main spindle. Okay, go ahead, Frank, I'm all yours. Please note, this spindle here is turning. It is driven off of the main drive spindle on the 340T right here. Okay, when the head comes up, when the head goes down, it's coming up and down off of the column on the machine. Very simple, very straightforward. We'd also like to point out that we now have the digital readout installed. Looks fantastic. Back up a little bit to get everything take hold. There is no pain he wants. Okay, so now we've disengaged the spindle. So our intent is to show you how this head looks on the machine, how it operates on the machine. It's deemed what we call a vertical head attachment. The spindle taper is the same on the vertical head attachment as it is on the machine. Which, of course, is a number 5 Morse taper. Turned out fantastic. Okay, you can also make note that we have installed the tailstock on the machine. So the tailstock looks fantastic the way it's set up on the machine. The digital readout is set up, ready to go. Here's this scale. The other scale is mounted on the rear side of the column. Here's the display box, the Newall DP700. Right here. And last is the scale for the saddle that's mounted right here. Okay, let's conclude with showing them maybe the lever that you're engaging to turn the speed on and to turn the spindle on and turn the spindle off. So you can see that this is independently. What am I trying to say? It's an independent unit. It's a standalone unit. But when the main drive spindle is turning and engaged, this spindle here rotates at a given specific RPM spindle speed. Okay, 5 minutes in, I think we accomplished a pretty good task on that. Oh, did you want to talk about removing it? When the customer goes to take it on and take it off, what would you suggest for them to do?
Just remove all these bolts around here. Hook on your iPad. Drive bolt. And you're at
You see the drive bolt on the top? Just to pick it up. Then these drive bolts here are mounted on the exterior flange of the spindle. What a matched fit. Okay, so the vertical head attachment is mounted, the tailstock is mounted, the digital readout is mounted. The machine is rocking and rolling. Now we're going to move over to what we're going to call a facing head. Facing head is also a matched color. And Frankie's going to give us a simple breakdown of how this machine, or how this accessory, functions, performs, operates, looks. You'll see it just sitting here on the ground loose. So we're being very careful with the fact that it's sitting here loose. Again, this is the eye bolt that we used to pick it up with. Go ahead, Frank, take it from there.
left and right on the clutch.
Okay, left and right on the clutch. The lever simply moves up and down. Let me come off the tripod. Actually, that's a pretty good angle right there. Let me just close it up a little bit. Okay. Okay. You can see it pretty good from back there. Okay, so here's your bolts. So right here is your bolt hole pattern for these drive bolts.
Here's your gear that you
This is what we call the spline gear. It mounts on there. Let me see how well that shows on the camera. Very cool, very cool. Okay, so you can see that that's all put together in a match fit situation. Everything's cool there. The rest of the items are very basic and straightforward. Here's your lever. Here's your other crank. Here's your loose apparatus hardware. And again, if you have any questions on this facing head once it's mounted, please feel free to give us a call. Okay. Sorry, I was focused in a little bit too close when we were pointing out the other items. Here's your loose hardware. Again, these are your head drive bolts that go in through here. If there's any questions, please feel free to give us a call on that. That's a what we call a continuous facing head. Okay, well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants here in Salt Lake City, Utah, we'd like to thank you for your time to show you these wonderful matched accessories that go with the machine. And until next time, we never close. We're always here 24/7 for you at www.machineryconsultants.com. Be happy, be healthy, and have a great day. Thanks again.